In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Coingecko portfolio. To get started, open your preferred browser and go to the Coingecko website. Sign in to your Coingecko account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Coingecko dashboard. From there, locate the navigation menu and click on Portfolio. This will open your portfolio page, where you can view all of the portfolios associated with your account. If you have created multiple portfolios, select the one you want to share before moving on to the next step. Once you're viewing the correct portfolio, look toward the upper area of the portfolio page for the Share option. Click the Share button to open the portfolio sharing settings. If the portfolio has not been shared before, you'll need to make it public. In the Sharing Settings window, click Set as Public. Coingecko will then generate a unique link for that portfolio. This link can be used by other people to access the public version of your portfolio. After the link appears, click Copy Link. The portfolio URL will be copied to your clipboard automatically. You can now paste this link wherever you'd like to share it, such as in an email, a messaging app, a forum post, or on social media. To verify that the link works, you can open a new browser tab and paste the copied URL into the address bar. Press Enter, and the public version of your portfolio should load. This allows you to see what others will see when they open the link. If you decide later that you no longer want the portfolio to be publicly accessible, return to the portfolio page and click Share again. In the sharing settings, select Set as Private. This will disable public access and prevent others from viewing the portfolio through the shared link. And that's it. Sharing a Coingecko portfolio through a browser only takes a few clicks. Simply sign in to Coingecko, open your portfolio, click Share, set the portfolio to public, copy the generated link, and send it to anyone you want. Thanks for watching, and that's how to share your Coingecko portfolio using a web browser.